Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. In this today's lecture, we are going to talk about the government jobs, top government jobs from the botany sector in India. If you are a botany graduate, if you are a botany MSc or Masters, then what category of the jobs, what kind of jobs that you can apply to will be discussed in this video. Not only will talk about the kind of job that are available, we'll be talking about your job responsibilities, and also we'll be talking about the salary that you can expect from all those jobs. So stay tuned to this video from start to the end. So let's start with the very first category of the job from the field of botany, government job for the field of botany. And here we have junior research fellow and research associate job at Botanical Survey of India. Just like Zoological Survey of India ZSI, we also have Botanical Survey of India BSI, and there is a constant requirement of junior research fellow for the research purpose in there. So the positions are typically temporary but provide opportunities to engage in significant research projects as the creation and also to have a proper contact. You can build a well contact. Those contact can fetch you a job in the future times in your life. The Himalayan biodiversity project is going on. The positions often require extensive field work in regions like Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir and other places of India. So you can have fieldwork studies, you can move from one place to the other place, and you will be there in the lap of the nature. To some, this is a dream job, and if you're a wanderer, if you like to get this category of the jobs and also get paid, this is the best job that you can try after the BSc and MSc in botany. And the salary offered here is somewhere between 31,000 per month to 35,000 per month, and now I think the salary is increased a little bit, near about 38,000 per month. So that is something offered, and also travel allowance, significant travel allowance will be provided for the fieldwork studies. The second category of the jobs after botany graduation you can try here is the project scientist and project associate job and project assistant at Wildlife Institute of India. Okay, the roles involve research and project management in wildlife conservation and ecological studies related to the placements of different plants and their natural habitats, conservation and everything. So this position is already there, and for this what we have project scientist position. Often the salary is 56,000 to 67,000 per month, again depending upon experience and project requirements. Then we have second category, project associate category, salary 35,000 to 40,000 per month, little less than project scientist. Then we have project assistant category, and again a stipend of 20,000 to 22,000, which are non-permanent job, temporary jobs. So there are project assistant jobs 20 to 22,000 per month, project associate job 35 to 40,000 per month, research scientist job near about 65,000 per month. That is the range of salary offered from the exact concrete field of botany if you work as a project scientist, project associate or project assistant in Wildlife Institute of India. The third category of the job, government job from botany from India, various teaching and research positions in universities and colleges. One such example, let's say the professor role in the University of Punjab University. They offer they require higher degree, they require MSc with lectureship qualification, or they require PhD qualification in order to be eligible to teach. And here the assistant professor is entry level salary 57,700 rupees, 60,000, 65,000 rupees. Even after that there are grade pay and pay division changes, the salary increase. Then associate professor 1,31,000 to 2,17,000 per month, that's the salary range, with an academic grade pay of 9,000. Okay, and we have professor salary, we are near about 1.5 lakh rupees a month, and it can go much higher with added allowances and other benefits that are attached to it. So this category of the jobs from academic field, if you want to choose academic after botany, then this is the best suitable field for you. Then what else we have? We have the fourth category, various roles through competitive exams conducted by public service commissions and forest services. Indian forest services are there, UPSCs are there, through which you can get into the different public service commissions jobs via this. And it can start with 35,000 per month, but it can go beyond 1.5 lakh rupees a month, depending upon the positions and placements, because we haven't classified them properly yet. We just put that these are the various roles through competitive exams. but yes, the exams will be difficult. You need to get into that, so the competition is tough. And last one, we have various roles through competitive exams. As I mentioned earlier, the competitive exams here, we have the 4 lakh to 8 lakh per annum range depending on the role and the seniority level. The positions are not only professionally rewarding but also contribute significantly to the environmental conservation and the research across India. So you can also try that. The salary is sometimes also well beyond 1 lakh per month via UPSC Indian Forest Services if you apply for the botany graduates in there. So these salaries are out there always, and you can always apply to them, and if you qualify, you'll get a better chance of getting a desired life or a dream career in your life. So that's all regarding the top government jobs for botany graduates in India. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and colleagues, subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that in future. Thank you. Bye.